To get rid of earwigs in your home, make a trap by filling a bowl or bucket with soapy water and placing it next to a bright light at night. Earwigs are attracted to bright lights, and they'll drown when they crawl into the soapy water. You can also mix olive oil and soy sauce in a bowl to make a trap. Place it near where you've seen earwigs. They'll be attracted to the smell and die when they fall into the bowl. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth over areas where you've seen earwigs. Diatomaceous earth is a natural insecticide that will kill earwigs on contact. To prevent more earwigs from getting into your home, fix any window screen holes and seal cracks and gaps around the perimeter of your home with caulk. Remove any sources of excess moisture in and around your home, since earwigs seek out moist areas. Clear mulch and dead vegetation from the perimeter of your home so earwigs don't have easy access to shelter and food. To get rid of earwigs in your garden, crumple up wet newspaper and leave it in your garden overnight. The damp paper will attract earwigs. Toss out the crumpled newspaper with the earwigs inside the next day. Alternatively, push small cans into the soil around your garden and fill them with an oil, like fish oil. The oil will attract earwigs, and they'll drown when they fall in. Dig up the cans and toss them out once they're full.